Hey loves, it's your girl MissRessaT. And I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate it. If it's your first time here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can catch all of my videos and hit the notification bell so you do not miss when I upload. I do upload once a week. You can get beauty, fashion, favorites, hauls, fitness, weight loss, motivation, those type of things you get here on this channel. So if you're interested in that, definitely go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate it so much. It helps. It means so much so people can find my videos and also share them. So yeah, all that out of the way, you guys, I came to bring you guys a current favorite. I have been absent a little bit. I have posted some recent videos here on my lock journey, so if you're interested in that, definitely check out my previous videos to see my lock videos. I do have another one coming up next week. So yeah, let's get into it. I wanted to show you guys what my favorites are. I used to do a monthly favorites, but I kind of fell off from that because I wasn't really trying new stuff. But I have tried a lot of new stuff, and this is all over the place, you guys. If you watch any of my favorites before, you know that I am all over the place. I'm giving you all of my favorites that I like overall, you know, in different things. So let's get started with beauty, I guess. This product right here, this is Airspun. This is nothing new. The original formula of Airspun loose face powder. I have it in the color translucent. I've been wanting this for a while, but I've never picked it up. Patrick Starr bigged this up a long time ago, and everybody went crazy and got it. And I don't join the trends. If you watch my beauty videos, y'all know I'm budget friendly. I don't about that life. But this is very budget friendly. I just never picked it up. But I finally did. And this sucker right here, I don't have it on today. I did not. But if you watch my vlog channel and you watch, I went out partying sometime. I had this on my face. I tried this for the first time. I've tried it before, and I've tried it one time. Other than that, my face lasted all day. The only downfall is the scent, because it does have a scent, and I don't know why. But other than that, this works very well if you just want to put it on and wipe it off. Do not bake. Do not bake. If you are my color, do not bake. Okay? But really enjoyed this. Also from beauty, I guess this would be considered beauty. It's tore up because I've been using the heck out of these because my skin is breaking out. And you guys know I love skincare. I love skincare products. And I'm in my feelings right now because I'm having adult acne. And I don't know why. But this is from Yes to Tomatoes Clear Skin Acne with Salicylic Acid Detoxifying Charcoal Mud Mask. This is the mask. I also do use the face, what's it called? The sheet mask. So either one are very good. I really enjoy this product. It works very, very, very good. I don't know. I think that's it for beauty. I don't know. We're just gonna pick stuff up. This right here, of course, this is open too. It comes 3 in the pack. This is from Dollar Tree. If you cannot tell by the wrapping, this is called Microfiber facial pads. You guys, these are bomb.com. I bought myself these, and I bought my nieces some to use on their face. It's microfiber cloths here on this side, and then on this side you have like these little, I don't know, it's like this little woven pattern. So this side I use to wash my face, and then this side I use to take off my mask. So this works very well for my clay mask. So if you remember, I featured the Eco Tools, their little thing that looks like this. That works very good, and their little sponge, I recommend it a whole lot. But if you just want to pay $1 and get 3 in the cute little colors, because y'all know purple is my favorite color, this works very well. The only difference with this one is the other one, it will disintegrate. This, you do have to wash these, okay? But I absolutely love those. So as far as beauty, as far as like makeup, foundation stuff, I bought so many foundations, but I really don't have, you know, something that I would say is my favorite. I am going to start looking into buying high-end foundations because drugstore is doing their thing. I just can't get my hand on any of the freaking shades, and I don't want to order offline and get the wrong shade. But locally where I stay at, they do not carry, Lord, the shades in my colors. So my current foundation faves here are back to my originals. I went back to Black Radiance. I used to use this a long time ago. Always great. It's very cheap. I bought 2 of them. That's how cheap they are. I got in the color Cocoa Bean and Cashmere. I use Cashmere on the inside of my face, Cocoa Bean on the outside of my face, because this does oxidize, so it does get darker. I usually only use Cocoa Bean, but I did not get as dark this summer as I normally do, so that's why I end up doing two shades. But if you're looking for a very, very inexpensive foundation that lasts all day, oil-free, and I'm becoming a combination oily girl. Yeah, so I'm pretty much combination skin, but all I had to do, I've had this face on all day, and I had to put some powder like on my forehead, but other than that, it was good to go. Full coverage. Love it. Alright, my fragrance that I'm rocking right now is this by Victoria's Secrets. I haven't bought a perfume in quite some time, but this fragrance mist is called Bamboo Coast. Smells so good. It's more a cologne-y smell. I don't like a lot of fruity smells. This one is more like fruity and cologne, if that makes sense. Fragrant blooms. No, I don't see where it says the notes. But that's what it smells like. It smells like a manly cologne, but with just a hint of female scents. But it's not, don't smell like a man. I don't know. Y'all get what I'm saying? I like that. That's what I like. Okay, moving on. So on to some other random things that I have been enjoying, you guys. Well, this is tea tree oil here. It came in this box. Aromatherapy Rising Sun tea tree cleansing 100% essential oil. I pretty much used it all. I have been using that on my scalp for my locks, because since I go longer now without washing my hair, my scalp has gotten a little buildup, and that has been very good for itchy scalp. So I love that. Another favorite of mine is, I've been going crazy on Amazon ordering all kind of stuff, you guys. But this is from Swiss. SWEES. It comes in a box like this, but there it is, the bands for your Fitbit. I have like the typical plastic bands, but I wanted to get a metal one. So this is metal, and it's magnetic. So I really, really like this, and I think it's a lot more, stylish than the regular plastic bands. And I'm gonna get another one to go in gold, so when I wear gold I can wear it. So that's why I didn't have one today. Even though it's supposed to be counting my steps, we use it as a clock. Okay, so it just tightens just like this. That's really nice. So if sometimes some people, the plastic irritates them. Now this part right here actually irritates my skin, so that's why I take off my Fitbit a lot. But the changing the band helped with the irritation on the bottom part. So that was really good. So another random favorite of mine that I have been running out is these wireless headphones here by the company Optum wireless sport headphones. I also got these from Amazon. It came in a cute little carrying case like this, and inside the case you have extra earbuds. They are waterproof, and I bought these for the gym, but I've been using them at work most of the time. But I bought it for the gym, and they just go around like this in your ear, so they're not in the way at all. They're and you can speak into them. The sound is very nice. It's very clear. So we can't afford Beats, but we can afford these Optum, and they are pretty awesome. So if you're looking for some wireless headphones, I highly suggest these. Also, my favorites, I gotta have something from Dollar Tree. Like, where would I be? I already had one thing. Well, here's another thing from Dollar Tree. I discovered these when I discovered those. This is the Microfiber hair wrap. So, and if you don't know, especially if you have natural hair, you should not be using like towels and stuff. But the microfiber doesn't snatch onto your hair like that, so it's really good. So it's just one of those things that you put on your hair. I think I featured it in my last lock video. You wear it on there and to dry your hair out. I've always seen other people use stuff like this, and I was like, what's the purpose? But really, it really is nice because it puts all your hair up into one thing, and it doesn't drip out, and it's secure. So like I said, $1 at Dollar Tree. I had to share that with y'all because it's definitely been a fave. So now these next couple items are not my norm, and I might get judged on these, but it is what it is. We all have other sides to ourselves that we don't show. But this next fave is from Fantasia, an electronic hookah. This is actually very old. This is in the flavor Joker. This is in their old packaging. They don't even make this packaging anymore at all. But I finally finished this. When I say I've had this for years, I've had this for years, because I am not the type of person that just smokes, you know, like on a regular basis. I have to be like, either I'm stressed the hell out, or I'm really drunk and I'm just feeling myself. And I don't get really drunk like that, so I rarely smoke this. But this has lasted me lots of years. This is electronic hookah, like I said, in the flavor Joker. So if that's your thing, definitely I highly recommend this company, Fantaste electronic hookah. I just ordered, like, I think it was like 5 or 6 flavors from another company that I got, so I'm still testing those out. But life has just become so busy for me, you guys, with running my business, and also now I have a full-time job on top of that. Y'all, I have been, so that's how I rediscovered that hookah. It's stress. It's good stress, but it's still stress, and that is just something that's relaxing to me, and it helps me. Okay, so speaking of relaxing and helping, my next and last, these are my last favorites, are my 2 favorite drinks now. Y'all, I feel like an official adult. Okay, I've always drank wine. I have always been a wine drinker, but liquor, never, you guys. But I see why people drink now. Like, whew. Sometimes you just gotta pour you a glass, okay? And sometimes wine is just not enough. But this wine is enough, okay? This is Capriccio. I'm probably saying that wrong. Sangria. This is 13.9% alcohol. This wine right here, this wine is so freaking good, but it's also so freaking strong. Like, don't play around with it. Just fix you one glass and go on about your business, okay? So good. And then my new favorite, my new bae, this is bae, is Tito's, okay? Tito's handmade vodka. This vodka is so good. Like, seriously, liquor is nasty. It really is nasty. I don't see how people drink it. But this I can drink. Like, it does not give you any hangover. And it's keto friendly. Okay, I haven't been able to drink my wine, but keto friendly. This vodka has no gluten, 0 calories, 0 sugars, 0 carbs. Tito's is where it's at, you guys. It is so freaking smooth. It is so smooth. I promise you, you will not have a hangover the next day. You will enjoy yourself drinking this Tito's. So if that's something that you're into and you like to drink, I highly recommend Tito's. And you guys, that's it. Just catching up with you. As you can tell by the stuff that I had in my favorites, is how my life is really going. I rarely get to put on a face and put on makeup, so I don't have a lot of beauty products, but I am starting to buy some more beauty products for the future, so you guys will see all that great stuff. But yeah, that's it for your girl. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you tried any of this stuff, if you're interested in it. What was your favorite? What is your favorite? Name one favorite that you've been enjoying lately. And yeah, until the next video, it's been your girl, MissRessaT. You guys, don't forget to live, learn, and record. I forgot my saying. Don't forget to live, love, record, share. I don't even remember. Smooches!